Elon Musk has a super bad feeling on the economy. He thinks we are already in a recession that probably will last more than 1 year, maybe 2 years. How can you be happy in these difficult and tough times? Inflation, runaway prices on gas and food, supply chain issues, shortages with many goods that you want not available. Seriously, how can you be happy in these difficult and tough times? How do you not let the busy, crazy world dictate how you live your life?
Live happy, fun-loving, and carefree.
Are we in a recession? Are we heading into a recession? Will it be a soft landing? Will it be worse than the Great Depression? The thing is, throughout history, we have moved from one crisis to the next crisis. Wars, then plagues, then famines, whatever human crisis, over and over and over, again and again. Guess what? Life goes on, we survive. So the way that I'm thinking about it all, we might as well be happy. I want you to be happy. How many people recently put their lives on hold for more than 2 years because of the pandemic? I don't want to live life in neutral, in a holding pattern. There's a good chance I don't have that many years left. And I don't want you to be putting your life on hold either. So, what can you do about it? How do you live happy, fun-loving, and carefree in this busy and crazy world? Number one, look at the big picture. It's maintaining some perspective and you having a positive attitude. This mama chicken brings her 2 babies right up to the door and begs for food. You live in a simple, self-sufficient country life. Not necessarily being a minimalist, you don't have to do that, but living frugally and being more or less self-sufficient. Then, when shortages hit, when prices go sky high, you're prepared and it's not such a big deal. A simple country life, you know how much money you need, or maybe better said, how much money that you don't need to live. You know what is really important and avoid the stress of a city-dependent world, and you get into choosing to be happy. Number two, this one, probably is going to be pretty obvious. Grow your own food. My grandparents had a big garden, and my grandma canned all kinds of food. She had a great big pantry. Food costs are going up fast. For years, I've been worried about food prices and shortages, wondering when it was all going to happen. And now, eventually, it is happening. So here it is. With food, go back to simpler times. Most people eat out way too much. It's time to cook at home and be cooking simple meals. Cooking your own food will save you a bunch of money. And something truly wonderful, growing food in the garden and cooking at home will be change. Be really good change for you and your family. Number three, it's also really good for your family. Stop expensive entertainment. Get rid of it. Bring back game night. Sure. The family, they're gonna fuss about not having movies and video games and whatever. But folks actually playing games like, we did back in the good old days, actually, it's a lot of fun. All those many games, Yahtzee, Uno, Chutes and Ladders, Mousetrap, checkers, and on and on. You can have snacks while you play. Maybe invite some friends over for a game night. Entertainment does not have to cost a thing. You can be creative. Maybe even having a grown-up adult game night. Adult game night. Number four, get outside and enjoy some fresh air. Living a self-sufficient, simple country life has lots of opportunities to enjoy the outdoors. But go ahead and take it a step further. Drop that silly gym membership. Go for walks. Go for a bike ride with your family. Making vitamin D and the bright sunshine with natural exercising. Not some goofy machine in a gym. It's an excellent way to reduce your stress. The world moves a lot slower when living a simple country life. Oh my gosh. Have a bonfire night. Hot dogs, marshmallows, s'mores. I sure hope that you have some amazing campfire memories from your days. And number 5, focus on what actually matters. You know the saying, take care of you, because if you die today, your job's going to be posted online before your obituary. Yep. I enjoy and like nice things as much as anybody. A nice house, a nice car, the latest and greatest phone. Hey, yep, you know, I get it. But in the end, they are just things. Focus on living a self-sufficient, simple country life. Focus on a positive attitude and the big picture. Focus on growing your own food. Focus on spending time with family, playing games inside and outside. Be with family and friends, making memories with the ones that you love. Changing the way that you think, it's not easy. Change is a big unknown, right? People will remain the same until the pain of staying the same exceeds the pain of changing. It's all about mindset. Are you going to let the busy, crazy world dictate how you live your life? Nope. You get to decide how you will live your life. Live happy, live fun loving, and live carefree. Freedom! Simple country life.